Stormy Daniels' attorney Keith Davidson when asked about the call during cross-examination by Trump lawyer Emil Bove.Stormy Daniels' lawyer Davidson testified on the witness stand in Manhattan in the criminal trial over Donald Trump's alleged hush money payments to Daniels ahead of the 2016 election. Michael Cohen had talked with him from time to time about potentially being President Donald Trump's chief of staff or his attorney general. Cohen was depressed and despondent on December 2016. Michael Cohen whined about not getting a role in Trump White House, said I've saved that guy's ass so many times, you don't even know. Michael Cohen whined over the phone that Donald Trump still owed him $130,000 for paying Stormy Daniels. Cohen ranted about not yet being paid back for the payoff to Daniels. I thought Michael Cohen was going to hurt himself. A month after 2016 election, prosecutor Joshua Steinglass asked Daniels' lawyer Keith Davidson, did you understand at the time that you wrote this letter that Stormy Daniels had in fact had encounter with Donald Trump at some point? Stormy Daniels' lawyer testified that it was his understanding that Stormy Daniels had in fact had encounter with Donald Trump when she signed a letter denying the tryst, which was written by the attorney, in January 2018. Davidson replied, that was my understanding, that the Stormy Daniels had in fact had with Donald Trump when she signed a letter denying the tryst, which was written by the Keith Davidson, also claimed that the $130,000 Daniels received to buy her silence about the alleged one-night stand wasn't a payoff, and it wasn't hush money. Trump, who has denied ever having love with the adult film actress, sat silently at the defense table during Davidson's testimony. Prosecutors alleged that the Trump organization reimbursed Cohen and fraudulently logged the payments as legal expenses. Prosecutors are working to prove that Trump falsified records with the intent to commit or conceal a second crime, which is a felony, in violation of a New York law called conspiracy to promote or prevent election. Cohen pleaded guilty to 5 counts of willful tax evasion, 1 count of making false statements to a bank, 1 count of causing an unlawful campaign contribution and 1 count of making an excessive campaign contribution in 2018. He again pleaded guilty in November of that same year to lying to Congress about testimony regarding the work he had done on a project to build a Trump Tower in Moscow. Cohen was sentenced to 3 years in prison and has since been released. Trump, meanwhile, has slammed the trial as a scam and hoax promoted by the Biden administration and led by a conflicted judge. This is a hoax. This is a judge who is conflicted, badly conflicted. I've never seen a judge so conflicted and giving us virtually no rulings, Trump said outside the courtroom on Tuesday morning. Trump said, I'm going to sit in the freezing cold icebox for 8 hours, 9 hours or so. They took me off the campaign trail. But the good news is my poll numbers are the highest it's ever been. So, at least we're getting the word out. And everybody knows this trial is a scam. It's a scam. The judge should be recused, that he should recuse himself today, he should recuse himself today. And maybe he will.